Xiaomi Mi 6X launched. OnePlus 6 India launch date confirmed. Gmail redesign is now rolling out. Today is April 25th and this is 360 Daily. Do subscribe to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you're the first to know when we have a new video. The Mi 6X, which is expected to be launched in India as the Xiaomi Mi A2 with stock Android UI, has been launched in China. It comes with a familiar design, with AI integration in the camera and Android 8.1 Oreo with a custom skin on top. The handset is widely expected to be unveiled in the Indian market soon, now that the Mi A1 has gone out of stock in the country. The 4GB RAM with 64GB storage option is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 16,900 rupees, while the 6GB RAM 64GB storage option costs 1,799 Chinese yuan, that is approximately 19,000 rupees. As for the top end of the Mi 6X that comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, well, that's priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, that is approximately 21,000 rupees. It will go on sale in China at 10 AM local time on Friday, April 27th. OnePlus has officially announced that the OnePlus 6 India launch is on May 17th at 3 PM IST. If you are in Mumbai, you can attend the launch event at the Dome in NSCI by buying an entry ticket at 999 rupees each. On buying the ticket, you will get a OnePlus voucher for the full price of 999 rupees along with a cash cannon and company branded tote bag, cap, t-shirt and notebook. If you're not in the city, don't worry, the event will be live streamed on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter by the official OnePlus India accounts for free. Google is rolling out its first Gmail redesign since 2013, capping what the company says was a major expensive overhaul with 2 years in the making. It now adopts new security and offline functionality and better resemble Microsoft Outlook. Other new features like message expiration, a confidential option with a one-time passcode and even nudges have been included. You can read our extensive coverage along with a guide to get the new look on Gmail for yourself on gadgets360.com. Amazon has launched the Echo Spot in India and it has a screen that shows you online information. The Echo Spot is available for purchase via Amazon.in as well as through Amazon device kiosks in Bengaluru and Mumbai, and over 350 offline retail outlets across 20 cities in the country. It comes in black and white color variants with a price tag of 12,999 rupees. As an introductory offer, Amazon is selling the Echo Spot at 10,499 rupees. The company has also tied up with ICICI to offer 10% cashback on Echo Spot and other Echo devices. LG G7 Think is all set to launch at an event in New York on May 2nd, and now LG has announced that this smartphone will have a super bright display that is claimed to have the highest brightness among smartphones from competing brands. In a blog post on Wednesday, LG announced that the LG G7 Think would sport a 6.1-inch QHD Plus LCD display with a brightness of 1000 nits and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. According to LG, the 19.5:9 aspect ratio helps in the implementation of the second screen that can be used as a status bar for browsing notifications without having to switch on the display. For users who do not wish to use it, LG will provide an option to hide the notch, giving the display a seamless appearance. And that's it for this edition of 360 Daily. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.